If you're having logging issues with your ChatGPT account, in this video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you can do in these situations is just clear out the app cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, you'll see the option which says clear data. If you don't straight away see this option, make sure you head into storage, and right here you'll see the option called clear cache. Just tap on the cache option and make sure you clear that out. Now, if this is not the solution for you, then what you can also try out is look for new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for ChatGPT, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, if you're using your ChatGPT account on your mobile phone using the application, then what you can also try out is try using the web version. So you can just open up a web browser of your choice, whether you're using the phone or on your desktop or laptop as well, and then try to use the web version. Also, while you're using the web version, make sure you disable any sort of ad blockers, which might also cause some sort of issues. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, then what you can lastly do is uninstall ChatGPT from your device and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix ChatGPT login problem. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.